What's up, average dad fans? Welcome back to another video. If there's one thing that Apple have done that I've not been sold on yet, it's MagSafe charging. I've tried their proprietary MagSafe charger, I've tried their MagSafe Duo, I've tried some Amazon cheap knockoff, not MagSafe versions, and recently I was on the Apple website because I like to check there every now and then, and noticed that actually the Belkin Boost Charge has recently been released. This was talked about at the Apple event, but for whatever reason, supply, who knows, there was a delay. So I decided, screw it, let's give MagSafe charging one last chance. So I've bought the Belkin Boost Charge, which is MagSafe technology. Point to note as well, if you have a MagSafe charger from Amazon, you don't have a MagSafe charger. There are only two companies that do MagSafe charging. That's Belkin and Apple. Belkin work directly with Apple. You may have a magnetic charger with Qi wireless charging technology that's pushing out probably 7.5 watts. This will give you 15 watts. That's full MagSafe charging capabilities. Let's get into the video, talk more about the specs, the design, functionality, and if I like it or not. Let's go. So, here it is. The Belkin Boost Charge MagSafe charger. Let's talk design. So fairly hefty, 400 gram base unit. So we're talking nearly a pound in weight, with the phone charger, your Apple Watch charger. Just realised I'm not actually brought through my Apple Watch. I'll get that in a minute. And a Qi wireless charger down here. So on the base there, we've got a Qi wireless charger. What does that mean? It means you can charge your iPhone 12 only from here, because they're the only phones with MagSafe technology, any version of the Apple Watch over here, and your AirPods, another phone, anything down the bottom. There's two variants, color variants. There's the black and white. I've gone for the black, obviously. I would have liked to have seen black on the charging docks as well, but I'm sure there's probably some form of induction technology. It means it has to be white. I don't know. A couple of little stickers that you need to peel off. One on the base and one on the watch charger. Now the base itself is that very grippy, friction heavy, like silicone feel, so it's not going to slide on the desk. One point to notice here, and I don't think I'm a fan of this, but time will tell. I guess it's going to be plugged in all the time, so I can see why they've done this. So along with this in the box and an instruction manual, you get the charger. Now the charger's a 40 watt unit, so it's going to charge up 3 devices at the same time. It needs to be 40 watts, but it's got a barrel pin here, so it's a barrel pin device for charging, which again I guess is totally fine because you're going to have it plugged into the wall kind of at all times, even though you've got how many 10 USB-C chargers in your house, however many lightning chargers as well. So let's have a look here. So yeah, the barrel pin slots in. Well, that's actually really neat. So there's how it looks. Some cable management in there as well. So actually, yeah, don't mind that. So far, so good. So let me grab my phone, my watch, slap it on, plug it in, see how it all works. So for design, I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. If the charging points of contact were black, it'd be a 10 out of 10 for me as far as design. Totally sleek, classy, like it. So let's have a look at the stand in action. Here we are. I've not actually plugged it in yet, so that part will come soon, or I'll just pop some graphics up right here to show it plugged in. So I've got my Apple Watch. Perfect. Very secure. Obviously it'll spin, but it's not coming off the device. Not that you're ever going to lift this up and move it much. It's going to be kind of stuck to your desk. Next thing, obviously, phone. Now it finds the points of contact very easily. And again, not going to come off. Let's just see. Let's see if I eat my words here. Nope. Brilliant. Not going to come off. Phew. Also, I did notice in a video I'd watched that, yeah, actually, do you know what? When you've got this charging, you're sitting on your desk, you can put it into landscape mode and watch some content, consume some content. Wow, say that 10 times fast. And then obviously the last point, you can take the phone off or have an other phone, pop it on the wireless charger at the bottom, or your AirPods, whatever it may be. To me, looks pretty sleek, looks pretty good. I will also say that while I was on the Apple website, I did buy this Figura 12 Pro Max case, and it feels amazing. Pretty slippery though, compared to the Apple silicone cases. Pretty slippery, but I like that design. Yeah, so that was that. So obviously,
hello darkness, my old friend.
I mean, that could not work out any worse.
I've come.
So obviously, for what you bought the device for, it charges. Now, I mentioned at the top of the video about the wattage of charging. There's only Apple and Belkin that do proper MagSafe charging, and that's because you're getting 15 watts. So you're going to charge the phone from dead to about 50% in 30 minutes using the 15 watt MagSafe charging. And your phone's already got built-in battery optimization. You can turn it on or off so it won't overload the battery. It will keep it at like the 80%, and it gets to know your sleep pattern as well if you're charging it overnight. So works really, really well. It is £140, so it's not cheap. I know you can get cheaper chargers on MagSafe on Amazon, but you're not going to get that 15 watt charging. Yeah. I am not 100% sold on MagSafe charging yet. If it could get up to 30 or 40 watts of charging, then yep, take my money. I just am not sure that £140 for 15 watts of charging is quite where I'm at just now. But I do like the look of it. For what's on the market, this is the best. I like the functionality. Essentially, it means it charges stuff. I mean, that's what you buy it for. Don't like the price. I think if they'd priced this at £99, it would have been spot on the money there. But again, it's the only Apple licensed or partnership product that does MagSafe charging, so there's going to be a premium to pay for that. Obviously, as we know, there'll be a new iPhone launch next month. With that, will there be AirPower? Who knows? Probably not. 2027 for AirPower, and even then it'll probably blow things up and set houses on fire. So yeah, well done Apple. That's been it. That's been the Belkin Boost Charge 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. Stay tuned for more content. As I say, I was on the Apple website, so I've got another thing that I want to post up soon. And again, as mentioned, next month is Heavy Tech Month. Apple have a launch, so I will be more than likely trading up my iPhone 12 Pro Max for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So if you have liked this content, please hit subscribe, the like button, turn on notifications, comment down below if you've got any questions about the charger itself, and check out the rest of my content. Okay. Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Peace.